Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. If you are new to the channel, I just want to say aloha, welcome. Hope you like this video. Hope you find this channel uh, informative. If you do, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And also, please hit that like button as it helps this channel grow. Now, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are starting your dividend portfolio and you're not sure about which companies to invest on, sit back, enjoy this video. I'm going to show you 3 stocks that you can start your dividend portfolio and you can earn dividend income from January all the way to December. So with that said, please remember that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how to my opinions and what companies that I invest on. With that said, let's take a look at these 3 companies to possibly build your dividend income portfolio. First on the list, you have Altria Group. Ticker symbol is MO. Now, this is a company that engages in following segments: cigarettes, smokeless tobacco. Now, a lot of people are uncomfortable with investing in these companies. A lot of these companies, they call it sin stocks. That's up to you on how you want to invest in. One of the great things about investing in companies is that you decide which one you invest on or you feel comfortable. Always do your due diligence and always make sure you understand the company. Now, one of the things about Altria is that these are some of the products. So you can see some people love investing in these companies, other people are not, and that's really fine. So again, for me, I just love the dividend. I think it's a great dividend income. In terms of all of these, I'm not going to go through all of it, so do your research. Now let's take a look at tip ranks. Based on tip ranks at the time of this video, it is at 47. Now their price target is in 54, with a 14% upside. Now their price target is in the high of 59, the average of 54, and the low of 48. Now the rating is moderate buy based on 8 analysis, so you got like 5 buys, 3 holds, and 0 sell. Now if you look at the stock analysis, you can see the smart score is 10, which is outperformed. You can see hedge fund activities has increased. New sentiment is bullish. Tip rank investors, they rate it as very positive, and the consensus is moderate buy, and some bloggers' opinion says it's bullish. Yeah. Now looking at CNN Business to kind of get a feel of what their forecast of this stock is, they have a high of 68, the median of 54, and the low of 43, with their analysis recommendation of 8 buys, 10 holds, 1 outperform. Now looking at bar chart, their price target is 58 as well, 53 the medium, and the low of 46. Now their rating pretty much similar to the past 3 months. It's been a moderate buy. Now this is based on 11 analysis. Now looking down to the ratings breakdown, you can see currently based on 11, you have 4 holds, 6 strong buy, and 1 moderate buy. Now if we look forward to Simply Safe Dividend, based on their safety score, they are rated as 55, which is borderline safe. Now this is why I like this one. It's a juicy dividend yield of 7.24. Market cap is 87 billion. Looking down further to the key metrics, you can see the payout ratio is about 79. Now looking at the dividend growth, you can see it has been slow, but if you look at the last 5 years, it's up 9%, which is fast. Now the last 20 years, it's up 3%, which is pretty slow. However, this is why I really like about this. It's just consistent, solid growth for the past 51 years, and it's been uninterrupted. So uninterrupted dividend streak of 51 years without a reduction. Now, the payout schedule would be quarterly. You got January, April, July, and October with the annual payout of $3.44. Now, you will get about 0.86 cents for that one, right? Now, looking at Google, you can see year to date it's up 16%. The past 6 months performance is up 13%. The past month it's down 0.2. The past year it's up 12%. For the past 5 years it's up negative 29. Now, if we look at Seeking Alpha, if you look at their stuff for the past 10 years, it's up 80%. Now, if we go through the max, you can see it had a tip and then it went down. So, but I usually try to look at what is it for the past 5 years, was it of 10 years, so 80%. All right, so definitely check this out. Now, going back to this one, you can see I want you to focus on the payment schedule. As you can see for Altria, it's on January, April, July, and October. So as we go through the rest of the companies, you will see that just by investing in these 3 companies, you'll get dividends from January to December. So pay attention to this as I go through it. Okay, so next on the list, Target. Ticker symbol is TGT. Pretty much everybody knows Target. It's a company that offers perishable, dry groceries, frozen items. I shop at Target all the time, so you can get a lot of stuff at Target. Definitely a great place to buy pretty much everything you need. Now, if we look at tip ranks, at the time of this video, it was $2.61. Their price target is $253 with a 3% downside. Now, their 12-month forecast rated as a high of 300, the average of 253, and the low of 216, with analysis recommendation of strong buy. You have 14 buy and 4 holds. Now, comparing that to CNN Business, you can see their forecast is at the high is at 305, the medium is 250, and the low is 176. Now, looking at their recommendations, you got 20 buy, 2 outperform, 6 hold, 1 outperform, and 1 sell. Now, bar chart, looking at their price target is 300, 247 is the mean, and the low is 200. Now, based on their recommendations, their analysis for the past, you can see past 3 months, strong buy based on 19 analysis. Now, looking at their current analysis, you got 4 holds and 15 strong buys, so pretty solid. Now, taking a look at Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, you got 90, which is very safe. Dividend yield is 1.38. Market cap is about 129. Going further to the key metrics, you can see payout ratio is about 22%. Now, looking at the dividend growth, the last 5 years is up 4%, which is slow, but check this out, the last 20 years, 13%, which is very fast. Now, looking at the dividend growth streak, you can 49 years of consecutive increases, and more importantly, uninterrupted for 49 years without a reduction. So this is solid, steady, income. Now, looking at the pay schedule, you're going to get paid March, June, September, and December with the annual payout of $3.60 per share. Now, looking at Google, you can see the past 5 years, it's up 246% for the year, 112 year to date, 46%. 6 months it's up 37%. For the month it's up 8%. Now, checking a look at Seeking Alpha for the past 10 years, it's up 403%. So definitely another company that you definitely want to check out, possibly put in your portfolio. Now, the last company I want to talk about is Lowe's. The ticker symbol is LOW. Another company that I love, another company that I frequently shop for products at the home and home improvement products. So now, if we look at tip ranks at the time of this video, it's up $200. Now the price target for them is up to 230 with a 14% upside. Looking at the 12-month forecast is in the high of 250, the average of 230, and the low of 205, with the analysis rating of strong buy, 15 buys and 3 holds. Now looking at CNN Business, you can see their forecast is in the high of 266, the median of 225, and the low of 198. The rating is about 24 buys, 4 outperforms, 5 holds, 1 underperform. Now, looking at their dividend, they have a Simply Safe dividend rated as very safe, which is 93. The dividend yield is 1.59, market cap is about 142. Now, going down to the key metrics, you can see 23% out of payout ratio. Check out the dividend growth on this one. Okay, the last 33%, last 5 years, look at that, 17%. More importantly, look at the last 20 years, 23%, which is very fast. Now, this is even more impressive, 58 years of consecutive increases and uninterrupted for the past 58 years without a reduction. So pretty impressive. Payout schedule, you're going to get paid quarterly, February, May, August, and November. Annual payout of $3.20. Now, if you look at the past 5 years, you can see it's been up 144. For the year, it's up 34%. Year to date, it's up 25%. 6 months is up 15%. And then the month is up 4%. Now, take a look at Seeking Alpha. For the past 10 years, it's up 784%. So, again, another solid company to build your dividend portfolio. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And also, please remember to do your own due diligence. And please be safe out there. Stay cool. Keep investing, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right? Take care. Aloha.